Hello everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat for breakfast today. I'm going to open my chocolate milk first and then put the chocolate milk in my bowl. And then put a bit of cereal. Okay, and then I'll close it. Cereal is the perfect breakfast today. It is a rainy morning outside, and cereal is the perfect breakfast because rain and cereal are both liquid. And juice is also liquid. Water is the same as rain. Also chocolate milk. I like chocolate milk. This is so yummy. And this is my lemonade. This is my favorite juice. I like it a lot. Even water is. And chocolate milk. My breakfast is almost done. So yummy. That's it. I'm done with my cereal. Now I'm going to drink my favorite lemonade. Now I have finished my breakfast. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and please give me a like. See you next time with another video. Bye bye.